Hi everyone and welcome to your French video lesson. In this lesson we'll try to discover together how to pronounce correctly one word or one expression. The idea is quite simple. You will see the expression or the word, I will read it and then I will let you pronounce it so that you can compare your pronunciation and my pronunciation. Okay, so let's start now.
Oiseau. Oiseau. Oiseau.
So if you want to practice your pronunciation, remember that I've been doing thousands of videos like this one, so feel free to find them on YouTube. That's it for now. Bye bye. Au revoir.